Good morning, guys. I am from Onuskar Productions Sanpa TV YouTube channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is what is coronavirus, corona disease and covid-19, SARS and MERS. So let's start. By the way, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and hit the bell button. Let's start. In December 2019, in Wuhan city of China, a newly discovered disease, namely corona. The disease is subsequently named COVID-19. COVID-19 spread in China, and after some time it spread rest of the world. On 13th January 2020, World Health Organization declared public health emergency. Keep in mind, it's a new disease. Corona are a large group of viruses. Corona is coming from crown, and corona is different types. Coronaviruses are a large family of enveloped RNA viruses. There are 4 groups of coronaviruses: alpha and beta, originated from bats and rodents, and gamma and delta originated from avian species. Coronaviruses are responsible for a wide range of disease in many animals, including livestock and pets. In humans, they were thought to cause mild, self-limiting respiratory infections until 2002. When a beta coronavirus crossed species various from bats to a mammalian host. Before jumping to humans causing the severe, acute, more recently respiratory syndrome SARS epidemic. More recently, another beta coronavirus is responsible for the serious Middle East respiratory syndrome MERS, started in 2012. The novel coronaviruses possible for the coronavirus disease. 2019 pandemic, COVID-19 is also a beta coronavirus, and suggesting that it also originated from bats. The virus is also very similar to the SARS coronavirus and is therefore named SARS coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2. At moment, it's not yet clear the virus jumped directly from bats to humans, or if there is a mammalian intermediate host. Coronavirus genome is a large single stranded positive sense RNA molecule that contains all information needed for the making of viral components. The RNA is coated with structural proteins forming a complex known as nucleocapsid. The nucleocapsid is enclosed in an envelope which is basically a lipid membrane with embedded proteins. From the envelope, club like spikes emanate looking of a crown. This is where the corona name came from. The integrity of the envelope is essential for viral infection and is the Achilles heel of the virus, because the lipid membrane can easily be destroyed by lipid solvents such as detergents, alcohol and some disinfectants. In fact, enveloped virus are the easiest to inactivate when they are outside a host. In order to infect a host cell, the spikes of the virus must bind to a molecule on the cell surface called a receptor. The novel coronavirus appears to use the same receptor as SARS coronavirus for entry to human cells, and that receptor is the angiotensin converting enzyme 2 ACE2. Infection usually starts with cells of the respiratory mucosa, then spreads to epithelial cells of alveoli in the lungs. Receptor binding is followed by fusion of the membrane with host cell membrane and the release of nucleocapsid into the cell. The virus then uses the host machinery to replicate, producing viral RNAs and proteins. These are then assembled into new viral particles. Celled variants. By budding into intracellular membranes, the new variants are released and the host cell dies. Uncontrolled growth of the virus destroys respiratory tissues, producing symptoms. Infection triggers the body's inflammatory response, which brings immune cells to the site to fight the virus. While inflammation is an important defense mechanism, it may become excessive and cause damage to the body's own tissues, contributing to the severity of the disease. In an otherwise healthy person, there is a good chance that the virus is eventually eliminated and the patient recovers, although some may require supportive treatments. On the other hand, people with weakened immune system for underlying chronic diseases may progress to severe pneumonia or acute respiratory distress syndrome, which can be fatal. This was the video. Thanks for watching.